In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a single Excel worksheet via email in an Excel workbook. By the end, you'll be able to share just the sheet you want, cleanly and securely, without exposing the rest of your workbook. Start by opening your workbook and clicking the Sheet tab you want to send. Make sure it looks the way you want your recipient to see it. Confirm headings are clear, filters are set correctly, and any sensitive columns are hidden or removed. If your sheet pulls numbers from other sheets with formulas, consider replacing those formulas with values so nothing breaks outside the original file. A quick way to do that is to select the used range, copy it, then paste special as values in a temporary copy of the sheet before you export. Now create a standalone file from just this sheet. Right-click the Sheet tab, choose Move or Copy, check the box that says Create a Copy, and set the destination to a new workbook. Click OK. Excel opens a fresh workbook containing only the copied sheet. This gives you a clean file that's safe to share and won't include other tabs from your original. Give the new workbook a quick check. Adjust column widths, update the print area if you need a printable version, and verify page breaks. If you want to prevent accidental edits, you can protect the sheet under the Review tab. But keep the password private and share it only through a secure channel if required. Save the file with a clear descriptive name so your recipient immediately understands what it is. Go to File, Save As, choose your folder, and save it as an Excel workbook. If you prefer a read-only snapshot, you can export it as a PDF. Go to File, Save As, or Export. Choose PDF. And make sure you're saving the active sheet only. This is a great option when you want consistency in layout and don't need the recipient to edit. With your file saved, open your email client and compose a new message. Attach the newly saved workbook or PDF. Add a concise subject line and include a short note explaining what the attachment contains and any context the recipient needs to act on it. Before sending, double-check the attachment to confirm it's the correct file and only includes the intended worksheet. That's it. You've isolated a single worksheet, preserved its formatting, protected your data, and shared it efficiently, without exposing the rest of your workbook.